Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to place and manage orders for dental lab work directly from any mobile device. We have just released a new LabPronto app. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Android version. In a separate video I will show you how to download and install the Apple version. If you're not yet familiar with LabPronto is a platform that allows you to place orders for all your dental lab needs, whether it's aligners, surgical guides, bridges, dentures, and everything else. You could, of course, order from LabPronto.com, but now you'll be able to place orders via your mobile app as well. I'm currently displaying my cell phone on my computer screen in order to be able to record this video, which is why you see a mouse. On your phone, obviously, you'll be tapping with your finger. So go ahead on your Android device, find the Play Store app, go ahead and tap on it. Search for LabPronto, and you'll see the LabPronto app to order dental lab work. Go ahead and tap on the option, and then tap on the install button. You'll see that it says downloading, and then after downloading, it will say installing. Once installation is complete, you'll have the option to open. You'll also have the icon for the app on your phone that looks just like this. So in the future, you could just tap on the app to open it. I'm going to go ahead and click on open. If you receive a prompt like this, you could go ahead and click on allow or deny. At this point, LabPronto doesn't make phone calls. You could just click on allow to allow all permissions, or you could click on deny. It doesn't really make a difference. To access photos and media on your device, you should click allow for this, and then wait for LabPronto to load. You will now see a screen that looks very similar to LabPronto.com. Of course, the app and the website all work off of the same system. So if you log into one, you'll have all your information as if you logged into the other, and the login details are exactly the same. You can click on the three lines in the top corner and then go to login in order to log in. If you don't yet have an account, then go ahead and click create an account. Creating an account is very quick and easy. Otherwise, click login and enter your login details, or you can log in with your Google account or log in with your mobile number. If you don't log in at this point, you could go ahead and start placing the order. Before you're actually able to confirm and place the order, you'll be prompted during the ordering process to log in. So I suggest just logging in at the beginning. Okay, I've entered my login information. Clicking on login. The process of placing an order is super intuitive and similar to LabPronto.com. Let's go ahead and take an example. I'm going to click on the category for surgical guides. I'll click surgical guides, and I'll select the option for surgical guide fabrication only for printing, as if I have an STL file that's ready for printing, and I'm just going to attach it and order the actual surgical guide. This screen comes up showing the details for the particular service, the fee, what's included, what's not included, so you have all the information, and then click order now to proceed. We now see the order form that we're very much familiar with. We go ahead and complete the order form. Make sure to complete with all relevant information so your order can be processed as quickly as possible, and then go ahead and click on next. Now we are at the point where you would attach and upload the relevant files if you're on your computer on LabPronto.com. Being that you're on your cell phone, chances are you don't have a CT scan files on your cell phone, and you don't have model or intraoral scans on your cell phone. So what you do is you go ahead and click on attach files. Here you have the option of either attaching from your cell phone. So if you are attaching relevant patient photos that you might have on your cell phone or mobile device, you could go ahead and click on internal storage. Otherwise, you could go ahead and click on Bio Big Box. Bio Big Box is your online account for storing HIPAA compliant information. It's the same exact login as your LabPronto account, and the accounts are connected automatically. So here you could click on Bio Big Box, and it shows you all the files and data that you have in your Bio Big Box account that you could select and attach. In a follow-up video, and I'll put the link below, I'll show you how simple it is to get files in your Bio Big Box account. You could have the scan center send them directly to your Bio Big Box account, or you could have a folder on your computer That automatically syncs to your BioBigBox account, so all your data is found there and is accessible from everywhere. I have the two options to select data from my files or to select data that was synced to my account automatically. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll click Files, I'll select a file, and then click Attach Files. The files do not need to be uploaded as they already have been uploaded to your BioBigBox account, so they're now just attached and associated with this order. Once the relevant files have been selected, go ahead and click on Next. Confirm the relevant details. The first time you place an order, you'll be prompted to enter the relevant details, and then it will securely be saved for future orders. And when you're ready, go ahead and click on the Order Now button. Your order will be placed to the LabPronto platform. You'll receive an on-screen confirmation. You'll be notified via email and or text as your order proceeds through the system. Of course, you can log into your clinical backend to see the status of every order that you have placed.